In this video today, I would like to show you how to create our first ASP.NET MVC database code first. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio first. Okay, and here I'm using the Visual Studio version 2019. Yeah, and now I will go ahead to create a new project. And I will search the keyword here is web. Okay, and I will select the option is ASP.NET Web Application .NET Framework option here, option number 2 in my window. Okay, select the next button. Okay, so here in this step you have to do some configuration for the project. You provide the project name. Okay, and I will name it either okay my first data by code first MVC. Okay, and then I will select the location. I will select another folder in my PC. I will name it .NET code. Okay, click on select folder button here. Yeah, so the solution name will be keep by default, and I will also keep the .NET framework by default as well. Blade solution and project in the same directory will be unchecked. Okay, click on create button here. In this step, I will select the option MVC here, and add a folder core and reference will be select the MVC as well by default. Okay, and in advanced option, I will also select the configures for HTTPS. Okay, as here. Okay, I will click on create button. So my project will be created. It will take some time to create it for the first time loading. Yeah, so here you can see this is the default template of the MVC project. We have some folder like content, controller, model, and view. Okay, so now here because we are going to work with the entity framework, so I will install the entity framework for my project now, because by default it does not select or install the entity framework for my project. Okay, so here we have a preference. You right click on this one and then select the manage NuGet package option here. Okay, so here it will open the manage package in the NuGet. You click on the Pro button here, and in the search box here you type in the entity framework. Okay, and in the result you will select the entity framework option here. Okay, click on this one, and in the right hand you click on the install button here. You can also able to select the version of the entity framework you want to be installed for your project by clicking on the drop down button here. Okay, so now I will select the latest version of the entity framework, 6.4.0 at this time. Okay, click on install button here to install it for my project. Yeah, click on OK button, and also click on the I accept button here to confirmation. Yeah, successful install. Okay, I close this one, and you double click. You click on the reference here to see. And yeah, you see we have a entity framework has been added to reference to my project. Okay, cool. So the next step, I will create a data model. Yeah, so here, okay, let me open a file, Notepad++. Okay, so here I will create two class. So in this example, I will try to manage the product management for my company or something like that, I will have two tables. The first one is category. The second one will be the product. Here, very basic list. Okay, so here we have the relationship between category and product is one to many. We have a category with the product relationship is 1 to many. Okay, that means one category will be have multiple product, and that's reversal is one category will have multiple product and one product will belong to only one category. Okay, so right here I will go ahead to create some data model for my project. Okay, I will create a model for category and product. Okay, follow me. Here you take a look into the solution explorer. We have a model folder here. Right click on this one and select as. Select the latest option here is the class. Okay, I will enter the category and then I click on add button here. I will also do the same thing to create a product class. Okay, so here in category I will create the public integer for the ID is key, get and access. I have a public string category name. Okay, so here by default the ID property will become the primary key column of the database. That corresponds to this class. This class is category. Okay, by default the entity framework interprets a property that is named as ID, or we can use a category and the ID as the primary key for the table. Yeah. So here, okay, so let me do the command for this one. It will be more clear for you. Okay, the ID property will become the primary key column of the database table. Yeah. And by default the entity framework interprets a property named ID or class name ID as the primary key. Okay, so for example, we can create the primary key ID or category. This is class name and ID. Okay, so hope my explanation here is clear for you. Okay. Save this one and I will have a product. I copy the ID here. Okay, so here for the product I will try to create some the property. Okay, I will have the product ID here. This will be the primary key for this product table. We have class name and ID here. Okay, and I will have a public string and product name. Public integer and I have quality quantity guess says yeah. Okay, and okay, so we need to have some the foreign key of the category in the product table. So here I will create public integer. It will be the category ID. Yes. Okay, and here I will create a public category. Yes. Yeah. We can also use the virtual keyword here. If in the future you want to load multiple data, so we can use there's an option in lazy loading to load it or something like that. So you should use virtual keyword here. Okay, I will back to the category. In the category, I will load a list of the product public. I will also collection. I have a product, and I have a products with the yes. Okay, so this one will be return a list of the product. Okay, so here I will also use the virtual keyword here, virtual. In case in the future you want to use the lazy loading for load multiple data from the database. Okay, so now we have that finished created data model for our project. So here the next step, I will create the database contact. The database contact will be using to connect our application with the database. Okay, and in this video I will be using the SQL Server database ADO. Okay, so here I will create a new folder inside my shortcode. I will add new folder and name it contact. Okay, you can name this, you can change the name. For example, we have a data access layer or DAL. Okay, so here in the context, I will create a new class here. I will name it the product management contact. Okay, so here in this class I will be using using some the namespace here. I will use the system data entity because we are using the entity framework. Okay, using the let me use this one first. We need to use this solution here because we have a product and category model, so we need to build it first before we can use it in the database contact. Okay, so here for this class I will be inherit from DB contact. Okay, and I will also add some the model using the my first model. Okay, so now here I will create some the constructor for this one. I will have a public product management contact. I will have a base class base. So here in the base I will provide a name because we are using the connection string to connect the database with our application here. So we need to have a connection string name here. I will name it a product management contact DB. Okay. Okay, so here I will do the command for more clearly. I will have the name of the connection string imported into the connection into the constructor. this name will be either in web.config file. Okay, so here I will have the constructor created, and then I will have the public db sets, and I have a category. It will be the category class set. Okay, do the same thing with product. I will have a product. Okay, so now I will open the web config to do some the modification, and I mean we do the setting for the connection string into with between the shortcode with the sequence server. Okay, we have another option to use the local database, or but in this video for the flexibility I will use the sequence server. Okay, so here I will have the I will go to add a new connection string here. I have add. Okay, I will provide a name. It will be equal the name we have defined in the base of the contractor in the db contact ready here. Okay, and then I will have the provider. I have the provider name. It will be equal. Okay, let me try to remember. Okay, I have system dot data dot SQL client. Okay, and I have a connection string. Connection string will be equal the first one is data source. Okay, I will open the sequence server. Okay, I will copy the server name. Will be equal the data source. Yeah, and I will have a initial catalog will be okay. So here I will create a new testing database. I will name it either my code db. Okay, and I have a integrated security equal SSBI. Okay, and I will have a user ID will be equal. Okay, I will provide the SA account in my PC, and also provide the password will be equal from 1 to 9. Okay. Okay. So here, hopefully this one will be correct. Okay. Save this one. So now here I will back to the shortcode, and I will do some the creation for controller. Okay, here by default after we create the controller the project, we have only the home controller. So now I'm going to create the category and product controller for my project. Okay, right click on the controller folder, and then I will select the add button. Select the option on the top will be the controller. Okay, and then I will select the third option, MVC file controller with view using entity framework. Okay, so now I will click on add button. Okay, so I think before we do this step, we need to build the project again. Sorry for this. Yeah, because we have to create a new class for the product and management contact, so we need to be we need to build the project before we can use this one. Okay, so I will have the controller, add controller, third option, and add. I will select the category. Data contact class will be the product management contact here. So here I will uncheck the async controller action. For the layout page, I will click on this one, and I will select a set layer in the view status and layout. Yeah, the controller name will be categories controller by default. Okay. It will take some seconds to create the controller for me. Yeah. By default, it will also create the view. You see here, we have a category folder have been created in the view, and we have some the HTML file, index, edit, delete, detail. Yeah. Yeah, it very basically is operation of the of any file or any any property or any object. Okay, cool. I will do the same thing with product. Right click on this one, controller, and add. I will select the product model. Yeah, click on add button. The new view, the new products table as product folder will be created in the view as well. Okay, a lot of files have been created. Good. Close this one, and then I will try to build this project again. Yeah, so here I open back the SQL server, refresh this one. Okay, you see here we don't have the database code first table created in this database. So now here I will minimize this one, and I will try to run the code. You click on the IIS Express on the top here. Yeah, so this is the default page of the MVC. Okay, so it seems project is running now. So I will have the category. Yeah, enter. Because this is the first time running, so it will take the time to create the database and table in SQL server. Okay, so if you see this one index file, that means the database has been created successfully. Okay, so let me open the SQL server for testing and checking. I refresh this one. Yeah, so you see I have a my code for database here. Okay, good. I have a table. By default, after running the code, I will have the category and the product table created here, and I also have the migration history table. Yeah, so this one will be the keep the history of the migration. Okay. Okay, so here you take a look into the table. We have the category with the column we have ID, category name, and the key. Also for the product column is primary key. This category ID is foreign key. Okay, so here, but when you take a look into the table name, it's in plural. Okay. Okay, actually it should be in singular name. Okay, so here I think I need to have some the update in a shortcode. Okay, I will stop this one, and I will open back the product management contact. Okay, So here I will try to override some the default code of the .NET. And here I will have some the option protect and override. For I have a on model creating. Yeah, I have a DB model builder. Okay, and I have a model builder. I will be using the convention dot remove. I will remove the ruler. We don't have. Okay, so in order to use the option ruler table name convention, we need to add some the reference first. I will have using the let me remember. Okay, so I have system dot data dot entity dot model configuration dot convention. Okay, so here I will back to the end. We have, yeah, so here we have a pluralizing table name convention. Okay, option, yeah. Okay, so now here if I try to delete my code first database here, yeah, the table has been deleted. So now I try to run it again. Okay, let me open the category. Here I will open the SQL server for checking. Refresh this one. Here my code for DB has been created and I have table. Here, so you see here for now the category and product table have been created with the singular name. Okay, still have some the column and key like it done before. Okay, if you open the database diagram, you will have some the relationship of the table have been created. Okay, close. Yeah, so you see here we have the category and product with the relationship is 1 to many. Okay, good. So now here I will close this one, and then of course I will stop this one by adding some the menu, and I will also update the code comment here for you to more understand. Okay, this code will remove the pluralizing convention. That is the default behavior for all model builder. Okay, you will then be able to create table with singular name. Okay, so now here in order to add some the menu, I will open the layout in share folder. Yeah, so here I will copy this one, add the category and product at the end of the contact, and here I have the we have a lot of options with the HTML action link. Here we have 10 options. and here I will select the option 4, provide the link text, action name and string controller. Okay, text here I will provide text with the name is I have is a category, and for the action it will be index. Okay, and the last one is controller name, it will be category. Okay, let me show you. I have a controller here. Okay, so text, you can put any text here, don't care about that here, just a meaningful text. And this one is the action name. So here by default, after when I click on the menus, it will open the index page. Okay, and the last one is the controller name. So here, this one. Okay, we do the same for product. I will have product, and it will be the action name index and products. Okay, good. So now here I will close this one and try to run it again to open the website. Okay, so here you take a look into the top menu. I have the category and product have been added. Okay, I click on the category, so it will open the default of the index category. Okay, so by default you can also create some default data for category and product as well. I mean, we create the initiating data for the category and product. However, in this video I don't have a lot of time here to create it, and then I will leave it by blank. So here on index page you click on create new link here to create a new data for this. Okay, so here for example I have a category name. I will provide is the, for example, a laptop. I click on create button here. Yeah, so the new laptop data have been created. I can create one more for the mobile, and I will have some the desktop, Apple, Samsung. Okay, something like that. And I will create one more the test only here. So here I can perform some action like edit, detail view, or delete it if you want. So here I click on edit button here, and then I can update the name for this. Save. The name has been changed, and we can also view the detail. It will open the detail by ID here. Okay, we back to the list. Or if you think this data is not necessary anymore, so you can click on delete button here to delete this. Click on delete, and in order to delete you have to confirm. You click on delete button here to do the confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this? Okay, after that the data will be deleted and it is done. It will not appear in the list here. Okay, we do the same thing with product. Okay, so here it is blank because we don't have the initiating data for this. Click on create new product name. For example, I will have a iPhone Pro Max. Okay, 128 GB. Quantity I will have a 1000. Yeah, so here for the category it will be automatically collect the data from the category and display it in the drop down here. Yeah, okay, very good. I will select option the Apple, create it. Okay, and I create some data here. For example, iPhone XS Max, 64 GB Go, quantity is 500. Have the Apple as well. Yeah. One more is Dell 01 200, and this will be the laptop. One again, I will have a laptop Dell 02 500, and I have a laptop. Okay, Galaxy S20. Okay, for this one, select Samsung. Okay, so here I will try to create one more for testing. Okay, so here for this one is test. I will try to edit this one, not for testing. Quantity is only 50, and it will be changed for this one. Okay, the data has been updated. You can also view detail, like to delete or even delete it. You need to do the confirmation in order to delete the data. Okay. So now here I will open back the database and try to refresh this one, and I will open my .NET, my code first DB, open the table, try to open the category. What? Login fail. Okay, so I need to log in it again. We have some issue. Okay, there are some trouble with my SQL server. Let me log in it again. Okay, so here you can see we have the data of the category table here. Okay, and also product. Okay, I think it's enough for today, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. After you finish this video, you know how to work with the database code first by using the MVC model and entity framework. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you see any issue, feel free to let me know. Okay, again, thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you guys in the next video.